Guys, welcome to my channel Technical Transistor. And friends, today we will learn how to check the NPN or PNP transistor, whether it is NPN or PNP. So friends, there is a one way to check the transistor. If you have the transistor part number, so you can go to internet and put the part number of the transistor there, and you can find out there whether it is PNP or NPN. But if someone say to us how to test the transistor with the multimeter, whether it is NPN or PNP, so we will learn today how to test with multimeter. So this is the multimeter set on diode range, and here is the two transistor. One is NPN and another is PNP. So its part number 548, its parts number BC558. So you can see here pin number 1 is collector of this, 2 base and 3 ammeter. Same thing here, collector, base, ammeter. So you can see here this is NPN, collector, base, ammeter. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this, NPN, collector is negative, base is positive and ammeter is negative. So if we given a transistor, whether it is NPN or PNP, so it will show the value by putting the red lead or black lead at base. It will show the value only at one lead, whether it will be red lead or black lead, and other if it show the value at the one lead putting at the base, and one lead we will put at the collector and at the ammeter, so it will show the some value, some rating. But if you put the another lead on the base, so it will not show any value. So you can find out if it is showing the value on the positive lead NPN transistor, and if it is showing the value on negative black lead, so it will be PNP transistor. So now we will check. This is the multimeter. Okay, we have first we will put the negative lead at the base. Suppose that middle pin is base. So if it is PNP transistor, then it should show some value by putting the black lead at the base, middle pin, and red lead at the collector or ammeter. So I put on the collector, it is not showing anything. Now I put on the ammeter, it is not showing anything. Now I exchange the lead. So I put the red lead on the base and black lead on collector. On collector it is showing some value. Okay. Now I put the black lead on ammeter. On another lead it is showing some value. So you can say on the red lead it is showing some value. So this transistor is NPN transistor. Now how will we find out which pin is collector and which pin is ammeter? So as I told in my earlier video, collector rating is always less than ammeter rating. So you can see here at the collector it is showing 0.696, 0.695. At the ammeter it will show more than collector rating. So here you can see here here it is showing 0.702. So emitter rating is always more than collector rating. So this is emitter, this is collector, and this is base. Okay, and transistor is NPN because it is showing on the positive lead. It is showing the rating at the positive lead, stable at base. Now we check the PNP transistor. At the PNP transistor, as you already know that it will show the value at negative lead. If we put the lead on the negative on base, then and positive lead we will put on collector, and on emitter it will show some value. But if you put the positive lead at the base, so and black lead on the collector and emitter, it will not show any value. So first we will put the positive at the base. So you can see it is not showing anything. I put on collector, not showing anything. I put on emitter, not showing anything. Now I exchange the lead. Okay, so for negative at base, it is showing some value 0.683, and here 0.687. Okay, so on the negative lead it is showing some value. So you can say it is the PNP transistor. And how we will calculate, how we will find that whether is which is collector and which is emitter. So collector will show less value, emitter will show more value. So you can see here it is showing 6.83, it is showing 6.88. So collector value is more than emitter value. So this collector and this pin is emitter. So I hope you find this video, you got something from this video. And I tell you, if you check, if you put the lead besides of this combination, so it will not show any value. Good transistor will not show any value. I put the lead at the emitter and collector, it is not showing anything. Now I exchange the lead, it is not showing anything. And I already show you putting the red lead at the base, it was not showing anything. Okay, so at other lead, other combination, it will not show anything. Same thing will happen in the NPN transistor. So you can say the transistor in the good condition, it is in the working condition. I hope you got this video. And if you don't want the video in the English, then I make the same video in the Hindi. You can go to at my channel playlist, component testing in Hindi and component testing in English. There is a separate playlist, and you can go there, and you can also learn in the Hindi or in English. And I will also give the link in the Hindi and English in every video. So I hope you got something, and if you got something from this, please like and subscribe my video, because if you like and subscribe my channel, then we get some motivation and to make the video ahead. Thank you.